Hello guys, welcome to this video. It's a pleasure having you here today. Before we proceed, kindly ensure you refer to the description menu below this video for a better understanding of this tutorial. If you must understand and comprehend this tutorial, then reading the description is highly mandatory. All you have to do right now is pause this video right away and take out a few seconds to read through the video description before you continue watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on any updates. Best wishes. Now, let's get started.
Alright, welcome back guys, and in this section we are going to be working with the very first plugin that we will use to develop our squeeze page, and it's called the Insta Builder. So right now we're in our plugins area. All we need to do is just activate the plugin. Just click on activate and then wait for it to load up. Okay, it has been activated. So now for us to be able to make use of this plugin, all we need to do is just click on pages, add new. This plugin is quite unique in the sense that it allows you to design your squeeze page regardless of the theme that is currently in operation in your website. So even if you've installed another WordPress theme, with the Insta Builder you can design your squeeze page on that on that site regardless of the theme. What it does is that by the time you've activated it, it actually takes over the page for you, and so you won't even see any trace that there's a theme that is active on the site. So that's what the Insta Builder helps us to do. Okay, so all we need to do is wait for it to load. And okay, so now it has loaded up and we can see once more our Visual Composer plugin has turned up. So if I click on backend editor, you can see the Visual Composer there, but we're not going to be making use of the Visual Composer to build our squeeze page. We'll be making use of the Insta Builder plugin here. So I'll just go back to classic mode and give it a name. So it will be demo squeeze page, or whatever we want to call it, demo squeeze page. And by your right hand side you see this button saying enable Insta Builder. Right now it's off, so all you need to do is just make sure it's on, which we've done. Then the next thing is to save this page as a draft, or you publish, whichever way works for you, but I'll rather publish it. So I'll just publish the page and wait for it. So what this helps you do is save the page, because it won't work without you publishing it. It won't work properly. So now the next thing is to launch our Insta Builder. So we'll just click on it, and then you can see it's bringing out a list of available templates that we can use to design whatever kind of website that we want, any type of page we want. So under here is all, so we'll just select. You can see they have sales pages, squeeze pages, launch pages, webinar pages, coming soon pages. If you click on sales pages, you see the available templates there. So all you need to do is just pick one and then use it to design. I'm looking for something different and eye-catching. So I'm just gonna check squeeze pages and then wait for it to load. Okay, alright, we can see some different ones here. Let's use this. So once you click choose, automatically it loads up and then takes you to where you can use that squeeze page. Can you see how beautiful this particular one looks like? This is actually a squeeze page where, for instance, if you are designing a squeeze page for a weight loss expert, you can just set up something like this for he or she, and put his logo here. Okay, put his logo, change his text depending on the kind of offer he's giving, and you put in your email address, you're putting the button you want here. You can change out any aspect of this particular page. You can click here. If I double click, okay, it's still loading. So if it's still loading, so you just need to be patient. If you click on this edit configuration, it opens up a box for us to make changes to the site. You can change the background image. Right now this is the image that we are seeing there, so we can change it out and put our own. Background color is also there, background video if possible. I'm going to close this so that we can click on some other areas where we can edit. Now if you use your pencil sign here as usual, you can edit the text. So I could just put something like weight loss genie. I can change the kind of fonts that I'm using here. I can change the color. just make it a red once more. That's the background color. So I can make the background color to be just plain. I don't want any background color. X. Can change the font color. You can see now it's red, so you can change the placement. Right now it's at the center using this. You can make it bold, and change the heading anyone you want, smaller or bigger. Leave it at heading 2. And here you can also make changes to the text. A list of eager, let's change this to eager subscribers. Yeah, eager subscribers, and you're done. Then next, enter your email address. You can change this email address. You can change what's operational in this button. All you need to do is just click on the edit configuration sign, and you can see that this is actually a button that links to an opt-in form. So if you are designing something like this for your client, all he or she needs to do is just send you his opt-in information, the kind of service provider he's using for getting his emails. It could be MailChimp, it could be MailPoet, so many of them out there, and you close. So let's try out another one and see if we can use another design for this site apart from what we currently have here. You can also save your work, save as a template so that you can always load it back at any point in time. So I'm just going to click on exit editor and then click on leave, so that I can use another template and see the effect we can get. So we're taken back to the Insta Builder dashboard, and if you want to use another design, all you need to do is just click on new page, okay, and then select. We have so many of them templates here. I'm just going to click on webinar so I can see what I can have under there. Okay, not so bad. We have different designs here. Let's pick this one. This one looks okay. Okay, so all we need to do is just wait for it to load up. And so as you can see, this is also another type of squeeze page, simply for webinars. You can change the background color using this button. You can see right now it's on green, so I can change it to something else, maybe light green. Whoa, that's bright. Change it to dark blue. Ooh, too light. Okay, this is better. And close. Okay, so you can see the white text, put in his logo here. If he has a logo, just put it in. Let's see. All we need to do is click on action and upload image. Then we'll pick out the logo from the list of logos that we currently have on the site. You can see this is from our former e-commerce site, and I'm looking for a single logo that I can use. I don't seem to have too many of them right now. Just need one small logo in PNG format. Okay, let me pick my before you buy logo. I don't know why there's no logo here. This X-Store is a bit too large for my taste. Let's just upload one. And just go straight to documents, enter, take this logo. Okay, so it's loading up and it's already almost done. We just need to be patient. Okay, there it is, and our logo is going to appear. So as you can see, this logo is too big, so we have to just make sure that we keep it to make sure that it's actually a very small one. Let me see if I can. Okay, I'm going to reduce it here. Okay, so let's leave it as the default and then change the size, because obviously the size is going to be a big issue here. Let me reduce this. Okay, that's better. So we're going to change this out and put something else. As you can see, it made this space very wide, so I have to upload another logo. Hopefully something smaller. Just click on upload image and then upload another one. So I'm gonna pick this one. This one looks very small, but the dimensions are so large. Okay, I can work with this. It's gonna look stretched, but I can work with this because the dimensions are quite small, 272 by 90. So we can use this one, and you can see it doesn't really need to be very large. So we're waiting for it to load up, and I don't know why it's taking this much time. Okay, it's back in there. It's back in there. I'm just using this as a template. This is not a very well defined logo. Just using this as an example. So as you can see, it comes with a white background. That's part of the reason why it's showing here on black. Okay, so I'm gonna close this and see other areas we can change. This is your toolbox where you can drag elements into it if you choose. You can see this is a title element. I can just double click. Once you double click, automatically it edits welcome, and change the guest name. Could be something as simple as Fela Durotoye, simple as that. And as you're making changes, you don't really need to save at each stage. All you need to do is make sure that by the time you're done with all your changes, you hit the save button. Here you can change your bio, you can change the points, what you're going to learn at each stage, and you can change the direction of this button where it links to. You can change the button where it links to. You can see target link. It can be a pop-up or it will link to a URL. You can just put something as simple as facebook.com or www.twitter.com. And it takes you to a new window. You click on this to take you to a new window, and that's pretty much it. So you can change the button style. Right now it's glossy. You can make it flat, and you can change the state colors. Right now it's you can make it another color. Maybe you can see different colors. You can change it. Everything is changeable here. Everything. And basically, for you to create more space, if you really need more space than what you are seeing right now, all you need to do is clone this area. Okay, and edit. If you want more text, you place it there. If you want images, you place it there. All you need to do is just drag any element you want inside of there. Right now I can edit this image. I can just click on action and upload an image that I want to be there, even though it's in form of a banner. Let me just pick her image and use it there. As you can see, it has taken up the entire space. Yeah, so that's what it does for us. Allows us to fit some other stuff in there too. So you can put so many elements. You can put a video if you want. You can put a video at the bottom here. You can put a video. All you need to do is just click on this and edit. Put the YouTube URL. Make sure it's on autoplay. And so setting up a squeeze page has never been this easy. With Insta Builder, you can set up any type of page, squeeze page, webinar page, so on and so forth. And by the time you're done, all you need to do is hit this button here, and it will save. All you need to do is just hit it and it will save. So you just hit it twice, 3 times, make sure it saves properly. You don't want all your hard work to go to waste, so make sure you save about 2-3 times. And when you are done, just click on Save as Template too, and give it a name. I can call this my test template, and give it a type of I'm just going to call this my own squeeze page. A subtype, I'll call it a video squeeze, and no need for tags, just save, and automatically it helps me to save it as a template. So it's really that simple, and this is how you develop your sales page or webinar squeeze pages. Okay, I hope you understood everything I said here. I really appreciate the fact that you took your time to watch this, and thanks for watching. See you in the next section.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive tutorials.